This video is sponsored by Zorida. Zorida reached out to me asking me if I'd want to try one of their cell phone boosters. And this is a perfect opportunity for us. We moved into our house in 2021. It's a metal building. So we're pretty much living in a Faraday cage. The first thing you notice when we moved in, if you're out in the yard, we have decent cell phone signal. We walk in the house and it would immediately go, no connectivity at all. Now, once we got fiber Wi-Fi, we were able to use Wi-Fi Assist on our iPhones and be able to get iMessage and things like that. And it seemed to work okay. But, we all have friends that are not iPhone users. I always call them my green friends. It's really hard to get messages from them. I get cell phone calls all the time from coworkers that have Androids because when I'm in the house, I don't get clear signal and can't, get those messages right away. So we're going to hook this up and try it and see if this will solve our problem. All right, well, let's check out what it came with. Got the cable, the device itself. Got another cable, mounting hardware, and the power cable, the antenna there. And we've got the outdoor antenna. All right, so I've got this set up in a temporary location. Just gonna try this and see how well it works. You can download the Signal Supervisor app and check the signal strength as you point the antenna in different directions. Connect it up to the antenna itself. Connect up the box to the outdoor antenna. Connect up the power connector. Connect the cable for the indoor antenna. And we're going to bring the indoor antenna over here. We got the bracket on the wall, and that just slips into place. Cable from the booster box. First, we're going to turn off the Zorida booster. We'll disconnect the phone from Wi-Fi, and we're going to do a speed test. Notice I've only got 1 bar of LTE right now. We're hovering around 4 to 5. But it pops up to 6 right at the end. But the upload speed is where we're really suffering right now. Okay, now let's plug in the Zorida booster again. We'll check the Signal Supervisor app and make sure we've got a good connection. Time for another speed test. And notice right off the bat, I've got 4 bars of LTE now. We're a little over double the download speed. But the upload speed is where we're getting the biggest improvement. This Zorida booster is really proving that it's going to help our cell phone performance inside of our barn, inside of our metal building. So as you can see, the cell booster worked really good. I mean, immediately I went from 1 bar of LTE without the booster on. Once I disabled Wi-Fi, I went to full bars of LTE. Really good performance. And like I say, I really haven't tuned this at all. This was just putting the antenna in place outside just to do a test and see how it worked. Even without doing any tuning whatsoever, I'm already getting a really big boost. So I'm really excited for this, this cell booster. Check it out. There's a link in the description if you'd like to look at one for yourself. Again, I appreciate Zorida sponsoring this video and sending me this product to test out. Thank you guys for watching.